Hey, Populist team, I just wanted to provide a little video on the structure of the Janitorial Special Projects division that we have. This is the division that has service techs that come out and clean carpet, strip and wax floors, do window cleaning, things of a project work nature that don't happen every night at a job site. So we might have them come out once every 6 months or once every 4 months or once a year, depending on what the arrangement is with each particular customer. So the Janitorial Special Project tech, the person doing the work, answers up to the Janitorial Special Project manager. That manager oversees the activity throughout that division, and that could be scheduling, it could be quoting jobs, it could be communication with the customer about the work being done, it could be authorizing the invoice for the work that's been performed, and also for growing that division as well. The special project manager answers up to the director of operations. I think I've covered all the different areas of the business. It'll be helpful if you can view the attached accountability chart or organizational structure diagram that we'll send along. It's certainly not going to be so detailed that every single position is outlined throughout the company. We've got about 160 different employees, and we could never fit that on 1 or 2 pages. So we'll try to do our best to consolidate it, but to present to you some clarification as to how the structure works. If you have any questions, certainly reach out and we'll do our best to get you good answers. Thanks for everything you do out there. Take care. Have a great week.